and ambitious.
There are like other jobs out there besides banking that you can make similar amounts of money if you're not pulling your hair out at 2 a.m.
Tech is a big competitor for talent, and the pandemic has upended attitudes about work-life balance.
Oh, Jesus Christ.
A reckoning in finance that was long overdue.
Callie Williams-Yost is a business.
I get you on that.
For the all-around protection it provides.
You didn't lift your spirits.
Well, I hope the mother helmet also lifts the spirits of the soul too.
Oh, I think if you know it's going to protect you, I think that you could do a fair bit of spirit lifting, just knowing that science went into it.
Yeah.
All right, we'll leave it there. Yours, thanks for speaking with us.
Between ceasefire or continued war by Israel, while the Speaker of Iran's parliament put out a statement announcing that in such a situation, negotiation is unreasonable. The US was originally conspicuously silent on this question, but late on Wednesday evening, Vice President J.D. Vance claimed that while there had apparently been, in his words, a legitimate misunderstanding, the ceasefire did not in fact
Well, first of all, I know there's been some conversations between the Israelis and the leadership of our country today. I haven't been involved in that because I've been busy doing stuff in Hungary. I'm actually...
Video protected.
Let me say a couple things. First of all, I actually think there's a lot of bad faith negotiation and a lot of bad faith, propaganda going on. I think this comes from a legitimate misunderstanding. I think the Iranians thought that the ceasefire included Lebanon, and it just didn't. We never made that promise. We never indicated that was going to be the case. What we said is that the ceasefire would be focused on
разделились. Аналитики решили изменить методы и направление поиска. Исходя из психологического портрета Куликова и Железогло, их стали искать на выезде из города. Они попытаются сделать так называемый рывок за пределы Москвы. Без отечества же, скорее всего, будет бомжевать, вести асоциальный образ жизни.
Get your motor running, head out on the highway, looking for adventure, and whatever comes our way. Yeah, darling, go make it happen, take the world in a loving embrace, fire all of your guns at once and explode into space. I like smoking lightning, heavy metal thunder, racing with the wind, and the feeling that I'm under. Yeah, darling, go make it happen, take the world in a loving embrace, fire all of your guns at once.
outside.
Try to take the best of me. Go away, you. Try to take the best of me. Go away, you. Try to take the best of me. Go away, you. Try to take the best of me. Go away, you. Try to take the best of me. Go away, you. Try to take the best of me. Go away.
Oh, that sucks. I'm so sorry, bro. I'm so fucking sorry.
Come out of the car now.
No.
Yeah, get out of the car.
Right now. What are you gonna do? What are you gonna do? No.
Get out.
No.
Yeah, you're going under arrest now.
I'm going under arrest? Are you having fun? Punch me again. Punch me again. Punch me again.
Stop resisting.
Punch me again.
Get out of the car.
Punch me again.
Get out of the car.
Punch me again. Punch me again.
Get out of the car.
Punch me again.
This was unnecessary, unreasonable use of force.
Attorney Fred Brewington says his client, Craig Manning, simply made a legal left-hand turn in Medford. Then he says everything changed.
And the officer then entered the cab of Mr. Manning's small Fiat and punched him some 6 times in the face.
He believes Manning was targeted because he is African American and asked for a supervisor.
There was dash cam in Mr. Manning's car, and it captured all of this.
You're gonna make something up?
Can I have your driver's license and vehicle registration, please, sir?
No, I said wait till your supervisor's here. Be pissy all you want.
Okay.
You can look at her, Snape. You can look at her all you want.
I'm calling my partner. Let the supervisor down here.
Thank you. Thank you.
They are suing the Suffolk Police Department. The department does not comment on pending litigation.
Car. Out of the car. Get out of the car.
All right, I'll get out of the car.
Get out of the car. Get out of the car.
Get out of the car, bro.
Punch me again.
Yeah.
Punch me again.
Sophia Hall, 1010 wins on 92.3 FM on Long Island.
waste my shit. I'm way too high off life, somebody lace my shit.